Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. So today for lunch I decided to do a quick and easy egg salad sandwich. Let's get started. For this quick and easy egg salad, all you need is eggs, mayonnaise of your choice, a little bit of mustard, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and some pepper. And then I just use a little parsley just for the top. And then I'm going to cut a few of the mini cucumbers just to have that on the side. And then bread of your choice, which I am using split top wheat, and I'm going to toast this. So first we're going to start boiling our eggs, and I'm just going to use 3 eggs. So we'll bring that water to a boil, and then once it starts boiling I will turn off the heat and let it sit in the water, let the eggs sit in the water for about 10 to 12 minutes. And then I will rinse them with cold water. And I rinse my eggs one more time just to make sure there's no more shells on the eggs. So at this point you have 2 choices. You can either cut the eggs, dice the eggs finely with a knife, or you can use this potato masher, and I think I'm going to use this. And this is what you're looking for. So then you're gonna add all of your ingredients. And so everything that I add it to taste. So right now I'm just adding this much of mayonnaise. Then I'm going to add just a squirt of mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and then a little paprika. Okay, and let's mix that and see what we get. And then you just want to taste it just to make sure. You don't need to add anything else. So let's add a little bit more onion powder. Some salt. Okay, so the egg salad is prepped and ready. So now I just have to make my toast and then cut a few of the mini cucumbers. While I'm waiting for my toast, I can slice my cucumbers. I've already washed them. Just cutting off the ends. So that's it, my quick and easy egg salad sandwich. Thanks for watching. Bye.